So if you are looking for a really nice all-in-one seed starting kit, you should definitely check this one out. The company sent this out to me to try out, and I really like it. I grew some herb seeds in here, and it is 8 days after I sowed or put the seeds in here. And you can see they're already germinated. I started putting some seeds in here 8 days ago. I put them in this tray here. It comes with a nice couple of tools you can use. Has the plant label markers you can use as well to label your plants. You've got the 40 cells in here, so I planted, let's see, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 different rows of different herbs in here. And then now, as you can see, it is 8 days later. This really did a nice job. I set the temperature here to 80 degrees. You can adjust it to whatever temperature you want. I have this indoor, but I set it to 80 degrees. Put the humidity dome on it and left it here. And now it's 8 days later. You can see everything is germinated really nicely. There's a couple which may need a little more time, but overall super happy with this. I planted all these different herbs in here and they're going really nicely. So let's see, it comes with this warming tray down here, comes with the 40 cell tray, seed trays in there, and then you got the humidity dome, you've got the 2 lights, you can adjust the airflow humidity right there, and then the control, you can change the light, so you can do a full spectrum, like the red, blue light, or white, you can adjust the brightness, and then you can adjust the timer as well. So I have it set to 10 hours right now. You can do, I think, 1 to 24 hours. So super, super nice. If you are wanting to easily germinate some seeds, get them started indoors, this is a great way to do it. So if you're in need of this, definitely check this one out. It works really well.